Now let's consider another problem. A cylinder of radius 20 mm and height 70 mm is resting on HP with its circular base. The section plane inclined to HP at an angle of 45 degree cut the axis at midpoint. Draw the development of bottom portion of the cone. So this is a question. Here we have to draw the simple position of the cylinder of radius 20 mm or diameter 40 mm. So take the radius 20 mm in compass. And draw the circle. You can draw the circle. Now, after drawing the circle, say you have to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Place your protractor here. Forty-five. Now if we name this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here you only need to not points, put the names on the top face points, not on the bottom face. Just draw the XY line. Here also in front view also you have to draw the general lines. Now you just name the top points, top face points A dash. Here it is H dash B dash. This is G dash C dash. This point is F dash D dash. E dash, axis is also there, O dash and P dash. Now before cutting that cylinder, first we will develop the cylinder. Development of a cylinder will be like this. You should know this. See, consider a cylinder. If you develop the cylinder, say you will get simply, if you develop a cylinder, we can see you will get a rectangle. Simply you will get a rectangle like this. If you stretch this curved surface, you will get a rectangle only. So which means the length of this the rectangle will be pi d, or the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of the circle, this will be the length of the rectangle. The height will be, or width will be, the height of the cylinder. This will be the development of the cylinder. For that we have a cylinder radius 20 mm. Say pi d or 2 pi r is 125.6. Here the perimeter perimeter of the circle pi into d. Here in this case it is 125.6 mm. 125.6 mm. Now you have to take that much length for development. Just take 12.5. $125. You just take is a round figure of 125. Now height, as you know, the 70 mm. Just complete the rectangle. So this is a development of the cylinder of radius 20 mm. Now here in front view and top view we have drawn this generator lines. In development also we have to draw the generator line, then only we will get the cutting points. So before that we can draw the section plane. Section plane to the midpoint of the axis at an angle of 45 degree. Midpoint of the axis. Draw 45 degree line, which is a section plane. You can see this is a section plane, and we can name the cutting points 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here, other than this end generator, there will be 2 cutting points. This is a generator line from H and B on this portion, so that we have cutting point 2 is on generator line H and the cutting point 8 is on generator line B. That's how we obtained 8 cutting points, and we have to project these cutting points in development also. For that we have to divide the development into 8 equal parts. For that, to divide this development, the length, into equal 8 parts, just follow this method. Say, draw an 8 centimeter line at any angle less than 90 and mark 1 centimeter each, so that you will have 8 equal parts on this line. So I just drawn an 8 centimeter line and divided into 8 equal parts. Again I have to join end points of this rectangle to this 8 centimeter line. Now parallel to this line, if I draw, see, I will get 8 points. Parallel to this line, you can see I have divided this into 8 equal parts. Now here I can draw the generator lines using a thin line. Always remember, end points, end line, the boundaries of the development should be draw as a thick line. All other lines, inside lines, should be thin lines. You see, this is A, B, C. So rather I will use another color. A, B, C, this is D, it is E, F, G, H, again this is A. Now you can see pi d as 125.6 mm. And now we just transfer all these points to corresponding generator lines. Draw the horizontal projectors. Should be thin lines. Always remember, these are the construction lines. You should draw as thin lines. Now we just mark the intersecting points. See, this will be your 1. This is 1, so that here 2 ones are there, and this will be your 8. Here you can see point 2 dash is on H, generator line H, and 8 is on B. So from 1, 2 will be here, and this will be 3. Here it is 4, this is 5, 6, this will be 7. And here you have to join all these points as a freehand curve, not using scale. You have to draw simply as a freehand curve. Here you can see this will be the bottom portion of the cylinder. This is point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how we draw the development of a cylinder. Hope you got it. Thank you.